How many times a day do you find yourself looking at your phone or any other form of technology?
Too many times. Like, I just find myself, like, I don't even realize it sometimes. I'll just have my phone in my hand. I'm like, oh.
Too many. I pretty much couldn't even put a number on it.
Every day. Oh. That's good. Probably very often. Too often, I would say.
Now, what if I asked you to put a numerical value on that?
A day? Like thousands, probably.
I'd say probably between 100 and 200.
About 250 or 300 times. And some days it's like 300, some days it's like, you know, possibly like 150.
Over 100 probably.
People these days are constantly caught up in social media and sometimes more involved in other people's lives than their own.
Our sense of self have been based in a physical community where the people that were part of our tribe or our community were so important to us. Technology has in many ways changed that, for good or for bad, but we've lost that sense of connection.
Virtual addiction is becoming something that is no longer uncommon.
I always think about trying to quit like Facebook and that stuff, but it's just so hard. It's like addictive.
Personally, I'm trying to cut back.
The internet and social media could be compared to slot machines. Sometimes you get the same thing, but other times you get a rush, which keeps you coming back.
So it's an irony, isn't it, that technology both liberates and limits us.
Even though social media and technology can hinder our communication skills, it can also bring forth our creativity. Therefore, there is a good and bad side to virtual addiction. For TV10, I'm Fallon Lannert.